Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. So let's start by opening the settings on our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the middle button to open the menu, then scroll down, find the watch settings option and tap on it. Once the settings menu opens, scroll down and find the option called the system, and after you find it, tap on it, of course. Now in the system menu, find the option called language, and once you find it, tap on it, and here you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it, and it will take a few seconds, and after that the language should be applied. So now if we open the menu, it should be changed to Spanish, as you can see. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can always use the phone application to change the language. So I'm gonna move this to the side, bring the phone that is paired with my watch, and once on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application. In the app you should see the home page. Now we can tap on more to open the menu, and here you can scroll down and look for the option called Garmin devices and tap on it, of course, and here you should see your Fenix 8 Pro on the list of devices. Tap on it, select it. Now on the settings page, scroll down and look for the system and select it, and here find the option called language and tap on it. Find the language you would like to use on your watch. I'm gonna go back to English, tap on it, and after a few seconds it should be applied. If the language doesn't change, nothing will happen. Try to sync the watch with the phone. Force sync it basically by tapping on this icon up here. And after that, after the watch is done syncing, the language should be applied. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.